What is this part called in English?
Finger.
What is this?
Thumb.
Thumb. This?
Index.
Index fingers. This?
Middle finger.
Yes, middle finger. This?
Ring finger.
Ring finger. This?
Pinky
Pinky
finger.
finger. Middle finger. Middle finger. Where are you? Where's middle finger? This one.
Middle finger.
Yeah, middle finger. Jari tengah. Pinky finger, where are you? Where's pinky finger?
The clicking.
Yeah, clinking. Ring finger, where are you? Where's ring
Very
finger?
money.
Yes, ring finger. Thumb, where's thumb?
Thumb, jempol.
Yeah,
Jempol.
not mother finger. Thumb.